moving on with the second part regarding how to trade binary options using a pitchfork. And again, the pitchfork comes from Andrew's pitchfork. On the first part, I introduced to you guys the concept of a pitchfork, where to be found, how to be put on any chart, and what are the differences between the JForex platform here and the MetaTrader. In this part, I would like to move on and introduce to you what is the concept of this pitchfork. Well, this one is being called the median line, and this is the most important line of them all. So median line. It has a dual effect, if you want even a triple effect. It represents important support and resistance trend line, and it represents also, it has the tendency to attract price, so it is acting like a magnet, like for price. If this is being called the medium line or the ML, as it can be seen in different analysis, this is being called the upper medium line, of course, and it is being also called like this, UML. And of course that the other one to the downside, it is the lower medium line. I will put it here. And it is LML. So upper medium line, and the lower medium line. These are the main three elements. Everything that follows is derived by the distance between the medium line and the upper medium line or the lower medium line. Now, as you can see in this situation here, our lower medium line here is the key, as price travels only in the lower half of the pitchfork, not even closing to the medium line, and this is coming after price. As you can see, the median line is still important here. It has been acted as support. Now we can build the pitchfork after this moment of time. So actually we cannot trade here, but by drawing the pitchfork like this to the upside, we have the validity of the medium line here and here, and therefore the construction is validated. So what to do moving into this pitchfork to the upside is to find important places for support and resistance. And first of all, you should look at this lower medium line as a trend line, or the real trend line for the trend to come. For that you need at least 2 points to confirm your scenario here, and the 2 points are of course here and here, and by the time price is hesitating again and makes a new high. So this is a series of a low here, a low, then another low, but a higher low, then another higher low, and by the time price is breaking the previous swing, so by the time price is breaking the previous swing, and this is the previous swing, this lower medium line actually is validated, and from this moment of time we can go and buy put options or call options or whatever. We can trade basically this trend line to the upside. As you can see, even the end of this wave, so this is the end of this wave, it is being formed on this trend line, the all important trend line. So the thing to do here is that every time price comes around this level here, we should go and buy call options, and by the time that this medium line here, it is being broken, it should act as a support and resistance area as well. So what did price actually do? Well, here form the classical contracting triangle. Let's make it red. A classical contracting triangle here that acted as a reversal pattern. And the thing here was either to trade the thrust of the triangle to the downside by the moment that the B to D trend line has been broken, or to wait for the A and C trend line here to be broken like that, as this is clear part of a flat as a pattern. So normally we should look for support from this moment of time, and from this moment of time we should look for support here. We should look for support here, and keep in mind this is a 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, whenever you trade, you should look for end of week expiration date, or even bigger time frames expiration date. This would be a nice place to buy call options. Now don't mind the dip to the downside, as price just confirmed our lower medium line there. So this would be a nice place to buy call options with end of week expiration date. This would be another place to buy call options with end of week expiration date. Every time price now comes here as a resistance, as you can see in the upper medium line, if you go on a counter trend, should go and buy put options with end of day expiration date, or it depends when it comes in the shorter time period. Let's move on with the third part, with places to buy puts or calls based on the pitchfork.